To play Assassin's Creed 2 with a controller on your PC, you need to connect your controller. So plug your Xbox, PlayStation, or other controller in your computer using your USB or Bluetooth and make sure that the Windows recognizes it. Then open Steam and go to Steam, then go to its setting, then go to controller and enable the Steam output. Turn on Steam input and also ensure that support is active for your specific controller type, which is Xbox, PlayStation, or generic. This is especially important for your non-box controllers like the DualSense. And configure Assassin's Creed 2 in Steam. Right-click on the Assassin's Creed 2 in your Steam library and select Properties and then Controller and make sure that the Enable Steam input is enabled for the game. Click on Controller Layout and choose the gamepad template and apply the layout. You can also launch the game and go to Settings and then go to Key Mappings or a similar option and select the Xbox 360 controller option in the game's control settings, and this often provides the best compatibility even if you're using a PlayStation controller. Adjust the buttons binding to your preference. And if you're still having problems, use tools like DSX for DualSense controllers to emulate an Xbox controller. And that's it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.